Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I am Joe Tigay and I'm watching the market rotate today. We're seeing tech getting crushed. We're seeing financials do quite well. Interesting rotation we have again. Now, yesterday we saw the NASDAQ gap well below its 50-day moving average, only to rally and recover it by the end of the day. Today we're back below it, and I want to see what happens by the close. Throughout the past week or so, the market has been selling off, only to recover throughout the day. If that does not happen today, if we stay below the 50-day moving average, that could trigger some more selling throughout the rest of the week. Again, I'll be watching the NASDAQ to see if that materializes. I'll be watching, right now the NASDAQ is about 13,000. If it gets to 12,700 and below there, that would signal it is making a new lower low, and that to me could be some point where there would be no hiding anywhere. If there is an accelerated sell-off below there, I don't think you'll see a day where the financials are higher. I think that'll cause people to sell across the board, and you won't see, yes, there might be some rotation. Financials and value will be down less than growth. However, there will be no hiding anywhere, and you certainly will see the VIX move more than it is now, which is just a modest upside move. We're stuck in that 25 range. Futures again already with that premium, even moving even less than the spot. So certainly this was anticipated. We were expecting a pullback. We were expecting the VIX to rise, which is what the futures were doing, and now it's kind of wait and see, give or take from here. And that said, we got the VVIX still elevated 112, although it had been higher recently, and of course the skew at the 136 spot. So that's still an elevated spot for me. People still worrying about the downside. And again, if we see that 12,700 in the NASDAQ, I expect to see a big pop in the VIX, and that is how traders are positioning. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.